birthday?
My birthday today.
It isn't your birthday. Your birthday's next month.
My birthday is
Next month.
mine.
Is she trying to steal your birthday party?
I'm first than me.
Oh, and you notice I'm not getting Kevin's face in this picture very well. Oh, there's Kevin. Get away from that girl. She'll just take over. She likes to hog every photo she can, doesn't she? Oh, and there's another one. Is it your birthday, Kevin?
He's my friend's son to be
How old are you, Kevin?
6.
6 years old.
Yeah.
Oh
I'm
my
6
God.
too.
You're 6 also. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, his birthday already passed. My birthday. I know that.
And Mia's birthday will be next month, and Mia will be 3.
Yeah, I'm only 6 years old.
I know. I have so many great grandkids. Well, I'll see you guys later. You having fun, Kevin?
Yeah.
Did you like your sports team birthday?
Yeah.
Okay. See you later, Kevin. Had some kisses from Grandma. Looks like everyone's having a good time. It looks like my grandson got some gravel down on the fire pit area. He's been planting grass since the last time out here. Oops, don't kill myself. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Let me see if I can get over here and take some pictures of some little great grandkids. Hi, Lily. Oh, there she goes. Oh, here's another one. Hi, baby. Here's 3 of my great grandbabies. Here's Mia Rose, the one that likes to organize everything. Hi, Mia. Looks like they're all having an awesome good time in the jumper. It's like everyone's having a good time by the fire pit area too. Let's walk over and see how Ricky's dry riverbed's coming along. He's been working on it some more. Doing a pretty good job of getting it done. Still has a little more to do. Has to pick up another couple loads of rocks, it looks like, but he's moving right along on it. Well, now you get the update of what he's done. He added some new plants in here, and he did a palm tree. And he's going to come over to my house and dig up a lot of my plants, and we're going to divide him 50-50. He'll take half, and I'll take half. And then when we come next time, we'll have another bunch more videos to show. This house didn't have any grass when he bought it, and he's had to put a sprinkler system in, and he's planted grass. He's going to, by next summer, it should be beautiful out here. And he's doing a great job in planting everything. It's like time to open some
I put her shoes on, so I just carried her. Watch out! I think this one's from Evan.
You got a double 10 on that.
I know. Just
Boy, he went right for that money, didn't he?
open this other cart up.
I didn't know Evan
Faster,
Daddy's over
louder,
there.
bigger, better, cooler. Oh, more money! That's 6. Happy birthday. We love you. Hope you have a great birthday from Alyssa and Kinsley and Kayla. There they are. Hey. Kevin, go put those in your piggy bank after you get hugs.
Oh my gosh, more people showing up for this party, as you can see.
Rain a little bit. Hi, thanks for coming.
Nope, nobody.
You go put those in your piggy bank, Kevin, and then Daddy's got some more presents for you.
That's why I didn't get it, because I was like, he would have tore up the doors.
That's my favorite choice.
Oh, yeah, but the one that I was gonna get him was like a big one. It had a big arm. And just, I was like, he's gonna tear up the grass. I can't do that.
Just waiting.
Did you get Uncle Cam a hug?
Yeah, he did.
And that's from Uncle Dusty and
Justin hit it.
You got tall.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that shirt.
Okay, Grandma Sandy got for you.
Got you some workbooks. Are you guys? You can learn. This is a coloring one. Where you ever done one of these where you can color?
Yes,
What do you say,
I know
Kevin?
you do because I buy them for you all the time.
Kevin, what do you say?
And here's some workbooks. And you know I got you some too, but your mom didn't give them to you. Did you know that? And I gave you some too.
Hey.
Well, that's his. I gave you yours.
Yours
too.
is in the car, Mia.
And
I'll
there
give
you go,
yours right now.
$25.
Thank you.
Justin, remember your birthday's coming up, okay?
Okay, that's Kevin. That's not yours.
Ow!